Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use raw sea moss. First, you'll want to thoroughly rinse your raw sea moss under cool, running water. This step is crucial for removing any ocean debris or impurities. Next, take about 1 ounce of the clean sea moss and place it in a bowl with 4 cups of filtered water. Let it soak for a minimum of 6 hours or even overnight until it has significantly expanded and feels soft and gelatinous. This preparation ensures it's ready for the next steps. Once your sea moss is perfectly soaked, it's time to transform it into a versatile gel. First, drain the sea moss, but remember to save a little of that soaking water. It can be useful. Transfer the plump sea moss to a high-speed blender. Add about 1 cup of fresh, filtered water. Begin blending, and if needed, slowly add more water until you reach a smooth, thick, and creamy gel consistency. This process usually takes a few minutes to achieve the perfect texture. Now that you've created your nutrient-rich sea moss gel, proper storage is key to maximizing its shelf life and benefits. Carefully spoon the gel into a clean, airtight glass container. It's important to refrigerate the gel immediately after making it. This helps preserve its beneficial properties and prevent spoilage. When stored correctly in the refrigerator, your homemade sea moss gel will stay fresh and potent for approximately 2 to 3 weeks, ready for daily use. With your sea moss gel ready, you can easily integrate its incredible benefits into your daily routine. For internal use, simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons to your morning smoothie, juice, or even a cup of tea. It's virtually tasteless and blends seamlessly. You can also use it as a natural thickener in soups or stews. For external benefits, apply a thin layer as a hydrating face mask or a nourishing hair treatment. Enjoy the 92 essential minerals it provides.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.